Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of November 22nd, 2021. As you can see that the S&P 500 is still continue to push it back up. So on Friday we were able to make it all-time high, but then they're losing momentum a little bit. So in the shorter time frame, probably we can see that the market will be choppy around here in order to find a support in that level before they can turn around and continue to go higher. So the overall trend is still bullish. So the market is trying to find a way to put it up in the future. So as you know that traditionally the last week of November it used to be a very bullish for the stock market, and as long as we don't have any major thing happen and the market will jig around, but they will find a way to push it back up. Because right now, as you can see that the Nasdaq is still very strong. They continue to put it to the all-time high with a strong movement in the semiconductor group. If you look at the Dow still have a little bit trouble here after they make all-time high, but they are losing momentum to push it. They still continue to sideways correction as the oil and the financial market it also pull back down in the correction also. So if you look at the Russell 2000, it's also very similar to the Dow. They after they break out and now they come back, they try to retest where they break out. If they're able to hold up, and then they will looking for the way to put it back up. So as you can see here in the last more than a week, it have been heading south again to retest that area. So let's see next week they'll be able to hold up and turn around and continue to the upside. If you look at the crude oil is still heading south in the correction after they have a big run up here. Because the oil price is too expensive. As you can see that every day you go to the gas station, if you pump it, so too expensive. So I think that the U.S. they release the reserve stockpile, that's why, and then they help with the OPEC, so they will help to ease the oil price a little bit. But when the oil price coming down, they affect a lot of energy stock as well as the then they call it out to be a little bit in the downside also. And if you look at gold in the other hand, it still hang on to the uptrend. After they be able to break out the downtrend line, they push it back, but now they are a little bit sideways correction here, but the momentum is still in the uptrend. If you look at the Bitcoin, I told you the Bitcoin after they have a big run up, so they pull back. So now they try to looking for the support in that area here, and then they will resume the uptrend again. At the same thing like Ethereum, at the same thing they pull back right into the support. So this one used to be a resistance now become a support, and then they be able to hold up and rebound from this level. If you look at the volatility index, we also put it up in the last 3 days, so that's why the market is more volatile, and especially on last Friday and the day before, because the option expire week, so the volatility pick it up a little bit. But in the other hand, the 10-year Treasury note, after they hit to the sell zone, like I told you last week, and then they have a strong resistance here, couldn't go higher, so they slam it down. So they have the interest rate to stay stable, not going up, and the technology stock they'll be able to pull it higher. Now let's take a look on the other the 11th sector of the S&P 500. As you can see that the two sector still hang strong to the upside. That is technology here. Okay, you see the technology sector is still very strong to the upside with a lot of software stock. Right, they're doing very well. Okay, as you can see here, like Apple, right? Microsoft, they all MSFT, okay, the Microsoft, they all run up very strong. Even Amazon, right? And Amazon, they are testing all-time high right now, but you can see that the momentum is very strong there. Google, so those stocks still put it up very strong. But one thing that they are really helping the technology stock, which is the semiconductor. As you can see that the semiconductor it still continue to make an all-time high here, and they're leading with a lot of semiconductor stock like Nvidia, right? And Applied Material, they all shoot it back up before they retrieve a little bit. And let me Xilinx and ALX, this one we have been followed for a long time. They still continue to put it to the upside. And LR, let me see, Lam Research, that the Lam Research, that LRCX, okay, that's Lam Research. LRCX, okay, yeah, Lam Research, those stocks are extremely strong. As you can see that we have been noted in the day they start moving back up, and they're still in the strong moving to the upside. So that's why semiconductor is still a forefront with a lot of chip shortage. So and then they semiconductor very high demand in terms of the green energy electric vehicle. So you can see that those stocks are still hang tight to the upside, right? Clean energy, ICLN, right? Block, right? They all still hang strong to the upside. Or even solar, they have tried to turn around also, okay? That's another like Sunrun, for example. And the retail sector, you see that they are still doing extremely well, but they are run up too fast, so now they pull back a little bit. But some stocks are still, they put it up like crazy, like Costco or Home Depot, right? And they doing it extremely well. BOOT, boot, right? Okay, but some stock they are kind of extended, so do not chase them. Wait for them to pull back so that you can get a better entry. But stick with those strong stock here. They will help you to again better price and then push it up in the future there. So the other sector is the XLY. As you can see here, this one here is still push it up. Consumer discretionary is still strong. They continue to push it up there, and a lot of stocks still move up in that direction. And even some stock like Tesla, as you can see here, they are put back down and try to find a way to put it back. Let's see if they can carry that momentum and continue, or they will come back and then for support before they can get back up again. Let me see here. A lot of stock like NKE, okay, Nike is still doing well there. Let me see the electric vehicle is still strong, but this stock they are too far to part, so you need for them to pull back, okay, before you can get in the future. So the only sector that have a trouble right now, that's the financial sector. As you can see here, they go up but they run out of gas, so now they try to pull back. Let's see if they can hold up a support at the pivot breakout point here. And the energy also, you can see that they are losing momentum to the upside as the oil price retreat back, and the energy sector they are also put it back down. Also, you see a lot of oil stock a little bit pull back right now. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we will handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entry and the target so that you can follow. And if you would like to learn more how to trade and understand the technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigator.com. So and then we have a RAID program that we can train you, we can teach you, but we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor and support you, and we can trade live with you every day in our live trading room with a multiple instructor until you are successful. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumb up, like button below, and I will see you on the next week market forecast. And if I don't see you, happy Thanksgiving to you, and take some time off and relax and enjoy with your family. Take care, everyone.